Welcome to TAPOSHI education tutorial. Student, in this part we will discuss about the oxidation or reduction reaction. Very important, those who were reading class 10. This portion are very important. Most of time the examiner asked and some question maybe came your exam and it will come also in your exam. So student, be prepared for this portion. Now we discuss about the oxidation and reduction, in short form the redox reaction. According to Madam Curie, the chemistry is the study of redox reaction. Where there is oxidation, there will also be reductions occur. If we define the oxidation, so oxidation included, that means the oxidation is the process which accompanied by number 1, addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, increase in positive charge, decrease in negative charge, and loss of electrons. Here I given some example. Right student, here magnesium react with oxygen and from the magnesium oxide. Comprised of the following the half reaction, that means magnesium lose the 2 electrons Mg2 plus and became 8 charge to Mg2 plus positive charge, and these electrons occupied by the oxygen and from the 2O2 minus or okay student. Now the oxidizing agent, the substance which oxidize other substances and itself get reduced is called oxidizing agent. This substance can oxidize other substances by taking electron and giving oxygen or by taking hydrogen. In this schematic diagram, you can easily understand what I mean here in oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay student, now look this schematic diagram and you will be understand. Okay, now the example of the reduction reaction, like a reduction is the process which accompanied by addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen, increase negative charge and decrease in positive charge and gain of electron. Right, here the iron gain of electron resulting in decrease the positive charge, here the iron get the 1 electron and became from 3 plus to 2 plus charge. Okay, now iron 3 is ion gains 1 electrons and charge to and change to iron 2 ion and hence get reduced. Right, now magnesium oxide gain of electron resulting in increase in negative charge. Okay, with the gain of electron, MnO4 minus is reduced to MnO4 2 minus. Okay, again we come back the oxidation reaction and the redox reaction. That means the redox reaction, here the reducing agent. The reducing agent is a substance which can reduce the other substances and itself get the oxidized is called the reducing agent. These substances can reduce the other substances by giving electron, taking oxygen, or by hydrogen. Okay student, now I hope you understand what I mean the oxidation and reduction. Now we discuss about the example of the oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, suppose we take the hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is a gas. Hydrogen sulfide is a gas. Okay, react with oxygen, O2. It also a gas, right student? Now it from the water, H2O water and the sulfur gas. Okay, balance this reaction, 2 here and the water 2, 4 hydrogen and 2 sulfur. Now this sulfur, that means this hydrogen sulfide, removal of hydrogen here, removal of hydrogen and became the sulfur forms. Okay, that means the removal of hydrogens, that means is a oxidation reaction, oxidation reaction, and the oxygen addition of hydrogen, that means addition of hydrogen. Okay, and it is a reduction, right student? Okay, now another example like a ferric oxide. Ferric oxide Fe2O3 react with aluminium solid. Okay, now it's from the iron to Fe plus aluminium oxide L2O3. Now here we find out the oxidation reaction, that means the ferric oxide oxidizing agent and its removal of oxygen, removal of oxygen and from the iron. Okay, so one Fe iron, and it is the removal of oxygen, that means reduction reaction, and the aluminium here, the aluminium became gain the oxygen, that means the addition of oxygen, and the oxidations occur. Oxidations occur. Okay, it is the redox reaction, example of the redox reaction, and lot of the example are here. I hope student you understand what I mean here. For your better understanding, I hope you watch this video again and again, and don't share with your friend and click the bell icon. Hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you for watching. See you next time.